Good morning. We are just about to go have our breakfast and then we're off to the shooting range, shoot some guns. Never been shooting before, so that should be interesting. But first, we're off for breakfast. Good morning, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How you doing? Here you go. YouTube.
Okay.
How we going? Yes, off to the shooting range soon after we have a feed. You looking forward to shooting some guns?
Yeah, later.
Yes.
Excited.
Rose is excited. She's very quiet, but she's ready to blast some stuff. Okay, this is just the buffet breakfast that's included with your room. Well, you got to pay extra, but you got it for the first couple of mornings. Mate, Mark, nice to meet you, Mark. Mark's going to cook me an omelette. I'll grab a bit of everything, thanks. Looking good, Mark. Looking good. There we go. How's it going? We're back. Cool. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you. Okay, this is my selection for this morning. We have an omelette. We have some pumpkin soup, fried chicken, these little sausage-looking things. And that is some form of pork mince and veggies. Yes, I ate heaps, but it was different stuff. I didn't have the GoPro with me, but I filmed a little bit on my phone. It was good. Eat this, and then we're off to the shooting range. Just finished breakfast. Fat man style. I've been eating so much food. I think I'm going to be a fair bit heavier when I get home. Rose is tiny. Still eats a fair bit though. Okay, we're going to shoot some guns. We are off to the shooting range. Shoot some stuff. How's it going?
Joel?
Yeah. What's your name?
Ardell?
No, nice to meet you.
Just for Joel?
We're off to the shooting range, shoot some guns.
It's a very happy day.
Yeah, that's all I taught to the Philippines. We are here. Yeah, thank you. Have a good day. You'll be on the video.
Oh, thank you.
Say hello.
Hi.
See ya. Oh, I forgot to take the cash out, so I just had to send Rose some money in PayPal so she can transfer it to a Gcash and we can pay with Gcash. You can only have a Gcash account if you're Filipino resident, which I'm not, so I can't get one. You scared? Are you excited?
First time. Almost first time.
Yes, everything is the first time. Lots of firsts for both of us on this holiday. Having fun. Yesterday I went to the casino, the first time Rose ever played the pokies or roulette. Didn't do too well, but still had a bit of fun. Looked very confused to what was going on. But yeah, had a good time. Thank you so much. Okay, see how I did. I did pretty bad. Yeah, got him in the head a few times. He'd definitely be dead. Yeah, good seeing you,
Hey,
how's it going?
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Joel.
I want you to try this.
Okay, yeah, cool.
Yeah, this is a shotgun.
Yeah.
Have you tried this?
No.
You try this one.
Yeah. Cool, this dude's let me try the shotgun. Do a bit of fun.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Go out. Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
There.
Okay. Ready? Ah. Good one. Sus, lagi para kamamoy. Oh?
Got him in the head a few times. The chest.
Picture? Thank you.
Thank you very much. Well, that was definitely a bit of fun. Won't be able to hear with the fan. Yeah, it's about to get our targets. And yeah, that was good. Something a bit different. Thank you very much. Do you want to tell people where we can find you if they want to come and have a go?
We're located across SM City.
Yep.
Yeah, it's easy to find. We're in the center of the city in Cebu.
Yeah,
It's very easy to locate.
Yeah. Ammo Nation. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you very much for the shotgun as well.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Well, that was definitely fun. There was the pump action.
Para sa sir, may mga request continually.
Come along, give it a go. Definitely a bit of fun. Okay, we're just getting back to the room now. Recommend going and having a try if you can. Rose had a massive smile when she turned around after shooting the gun. I just looked at the footage when I shot the shotgun. When I turned around, I was looking pretty excited as well. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. Cheers.